Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and the first actionable steps. Check your current Python with Python version or Python 3 version so you know the baseline. Back up any virtual environments and project files. Once done, remove risk of breakage. Install OS packages required for compilation on Debian/Ubuntu, that means Build Essential, libsyldev, and zlib1gdev. If you use Homebrew on Mac OS, update it now. Make sure to choose whether you will install system-wide or per user, because that decision shapes the rest. Now you execute the core installation steps. If you prefer packaged installs, use apt, yum, or brew to get a maintained build. Once installed, update path if necessary. For more control, download the official source tarball, run, /configure enable optimizations to get better performance, then make jnn equals CPU cores, and sudo make alt install to avoid overriding system Python. Alternatively, use pyenv install x, y, z to manage multiple versions. Once installed, set global or local with pyenv global or pyenv local. Finish by wiring the new interpreter into your workflow and verifying everything works. Update path or symlink so Python x. Y points to the new binary, then confirm with Python x. Y version and which Python. Make sure scripts use the intended shebang. Recreate virtual environments with Python x. Ymvenv, activate them, and reinstall dependencies with pip install r requirements. txd. If something breaks, a common fix is missing dev libraries during build. Rebuild after installing those packages, or fall back to pyenv or a distribution package to avoid compilation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.